Hello everyone, welcome to my Kranti Physio. Today I am going to discuss a topic MMT, Manual Muscle Testing. What is MMT? MMT is a basic fundamental concept of physiotherapy. MMT is a procedure for the evaluation of strength of individual muscle or muscle group. Actually, MMT is component of a motor examinations. There are so many motor examination like nutrition or bulk of muscles, tone, reflexes, range of motion, MMT, functional assessment. Then why MMT is performed? There are so many reasons for that MMT is performed. Just like to know whether the muscle is normal or not. If weak, then how much weak? Whether it is weak in bilaterally or unilaterally, whether there are any particular patterns of muscles weak. There are some grades of MMT just like MRC scale, Oxford scale, Kendall scale. In MRC scale there are 6 grades in there. In grade 0 there is no contraction, and in grade 1 there is flickering of contraction, and in grade 2 the full range of motion with eliminated gravity. Then grade 3 full range of motion with against gravity. Then grade 4 full range of motion with against gravity with minimal resistance. Then grade 5 full range of motion with against gravity with maximal resistance. Here you can see Oxford scale. Here there are also 6 grades are there. In Kendall scale there are also 6 grades are there. You can see here. And there are also a scale which is modified MRC scale, which like 2 minus, 2 plus, 3 minus, 3 plus. This modified MRC I will discuss in my next video. There are some principle of MMT just like position, stabilization, demonstration, application of grades, application of resistance, checking normal strength, objectivity, documentation. Let's discuss one by one. In position there are two main factors are there. First is patient position and second one is joint position. In patient position, patient is positioned in eliminated gravity or against gravity. Don't change patient position repeatedly. In joint position, the joint position is also changed depending upon their performance. Distal part of the joint is moved. Then the second one is stabilization. In stabilization, the hand placement of therapist is important. There are mainly two types of hand placement. One is proximal hand placement and second one is distal hand placement. The proximal hand should be at the origin of muscle or on the proximal joint, and the distal hand distally offering resistance or assistance depending upon the performance. Then demonstration. Therapists demonstrate the application of movement or performance to the patient. Then application of grades. The grades always start with grade 3. We can also test MMT for individual muscles. Then fifth one is application of resistance. The resistance is applied slowly and gradually. Increasing or decreasing manual resistance, then increasing length of the weight arm, apply presence opposite to the line of pull, apply force distally. Then resistance varies between the person, and sometimes therapist can also use long lever to apply resistance. Then check normal strength. Therapist to check the strength of the muscle of normal side first. Then objectivity. Therapist ability to palpate and observe the tendon or muscle response in very weak muscles. Then documentation. Examiner complete testing documentation or record first. This will help for next step of treatment application and help for checking improvement of treatment. There are some indication of MMT like lower motor neuron disease and some other neurological disease also. such as multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, myasthenia gravis, GBS, and some musculoskeletal disorders also. Contraindication of MMT like cerebral palsy, cardiovascular disease or brain injury, dislocated or unhealed fracture, myositis ossification, Parkinson disease, pain, inflammation, severe cardiac and respiratory disease. Then procedure. The proper explanation and instruction of the patient about the procedure is needed. Then assessment of normal muscle strength, then proper position of the patient is needed, then stabilization, then substitution movement and trick movement should be observed by the therapist, then conventional method, then altering the techniques. That's all about basics of MMT. If you enjoy my video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Kranti Physio. Thanks for watching.